Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. I will just share to you simple resolutions for this. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then in the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Now here in the block window, type this command as subc space / scan now. It's subc space / scan now, then hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And once this is 100% completed, then just simply close out of here. Then in the Windows search bar again, type CMD. You have to click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here, type this command, DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. Now this will repair your Windows image. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And once this is completed, close out of here. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the final method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and you'll find Recovery. Click on Reset this PC, but make sure that you can, or before you can go on with this process, you have to back up everything, all your personal files, data, apps, and settings. Then you have to click on Remove Everything. Then you have to click on Cloud Download and this will reset your PC. And after that, you need to sign in again into your account and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.